Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating the repository on GitHub and immediately cloning it to your machine. Once done, initialize or confirm a local Git history with Git init and a first commit so branches track correctly. Make sure to clone the exact repo URL into the correct project folder. This ensures your remote origin is set. If you prefer, create a README and git ignore on GitHub before cloning, so the initial remote contains those files and avoids merge confusion. You should work on a feature branch every time. Use git checkout bfeature/name so your main stays stable. Then edit files in your editor, stage only intentional changes with git add specific files, and write clear commit messages to document the why. Once your commits are ready, push the branch with git push uorigin feature/name so GitHub can create a pull request. Make sure to pull remote updates first. Resolving local conflicts early prevents broken. You'll open a pull request on GitHub and describe what changed and why, then request reviewers to check functionality. Once reviewers leave comments, you should update your branch, push additional commits, and optionally squash to keep history tidy before merging. After merge, switch to your local main and run git pull to sync. Delete the remote branch to keep the repo clean. If you run into merge conflicts, stop, pull the latest, resolve conflicts in files, test, then commit and push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.